Okay, so first thing I do is I take the numerator and I'm going to set up. The numerator is 1/4 plus 2/3. I'm going to put it over a common denominator, which is 12. So multiply by 3/3 and 4/4. So I'm going to get 3/12 plus 8/12 is 11/12. So that becomes my new numerator. Then I go after the denominator. This is 2/3 minus 1/4. Good news, the common denominator is also 12. So 4/4, 3/3. I'm going to get 8/12. Subtract 3/12 is 5/12. Now I have a problem like we worked on Friday, which is invert and multiply. 11/12 times 12/5. 12's reduce out, and you're left with 11/5. So it doesn't matter whether I'm dealing with variables or whether I'm dealing with numerical values, you're going to end up in the same position. So if I take a look at this problem, if I put parentheses around the numerator and denominator, there's an addition and subtraction. It's more than one term. So now I've got the process that I need to go through. So numerator, I'm going to have 1/y minus 3/2. So the common denominator is 2y. So I'm going to multiply by 2/2, y/y. So I get 2/2y minus 3y/2y. My new numerator is 2 minus 3y/2y. So here's my setup. 2 minus 3y/2y. So that's the new numerator. Denominator is 1/y plus 3/4. Common denominator is 4y, so 4/4 y/y. I get 4/4y plus 3y/4y is 4 plus 3y/4y. That's my new denominator. Now you have a single fraction divided by a single fraction. So the issue then becomes to invert and multiply. So you're going to have 2 minus 3y/2y times 4y/4 plus 3y. 2y divides 2y once, divides 4 twice, and it takes the y out. And now I multiply across, I get 2 times 2 minus 3y over 4 plus 3y. And this is, by the way, in a set of parentheses because of the addition. And that's all she wrote. You really can't do anything more with that. So with parentheses, either you can factor it out and the whole thing goes or nothing goes.